In this tutorial, you will learn how to check Facebook page monetization eligibility. So if you want to check your Facebook page monetization eligibility, first open your Facebook page on your PC or laptop. Here you can see that I have opened my new Facebook page. So open your page and then click here on the Meta Business Suite. It will take you to this page, where you can see different metrics about your page. To check monetization eligibility, click here on the monetization option, and the monetization page will be opened. On this page, you can see the status of your page to know if your page is following the monetization policy or not. And below the status you can see the option View Page Eligibility option, so click on it. Now click on the in-stream ads criteria. Here you can see the monetization requirements like followers, watch time, and active videos. So if you have completed all these requirements, then you can apply for monetization. We will upload a video about how to apply for monetization. That's it for now. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching.